I've been reading about ITT because they are the senior exploiters of this universe, of this world. I've heard ITT stories all over the world, man. I've heard the stories in America, in Europe, in Chile, all over. But I didn't know what ITT was about until I met MKO Abiola himself. Then I see the evil, the kind of multinational evil they are trying to do. Then the 2.8 billion matter came and I had to give evidence of it. So I saw roguery, criminality, robbery of the nation by a particular people, the government. You see what's happening in Nigeria? Once there's a good government in one African country, the whole of Africa will be liberated. See, we need one good government, a straight and progressive, clean government that knows what it's doing. No diplomacy, no compromises, no agreement, no Marxism, Leninism, no capitalism, Africanism.